Takwir question answers. What would happen for the sinner who repents in this world? A sinner who repents heartedly and avoids repeating his bad deeds will be awarded with forgiveness and Allah's happiness blessings. What should be our goal being believers on the day of the judgment? Answer: we can achieve it if we perform more acts of worshipping and prayers for forgiveness, avoid doing bad deeds, and show patience in difficult times. What are the benefits of congregational prayer? Answer: it teaches us how to respect time and order. It strengthens and love and compassion among Muslims and ensures equality among them. A summary of the Surah At-Takwīr. Answer: Surah talks about the day of judgment. A very noble and honored angel was chosen to convey Allah's message to his prophet. Quran is a reminder for all. What is the wisdom of Allah about setting a day of judgment? Because whoever has done wrong will be punished, and whoever has done good will be rewarded. If there would be no day of judgment, everyone would feel unjustly. What is the impact on the believers after believing on the day of judgment? Answer: good manners, accounting, doing good deeds, give up bad deeds, be patient for the hard. What are the advanced level of service provided by the UAE Mosque for the worshippers? Beautiful buildings, clean mats, AC, cool water, clean washrooms. A family consists of a grandfather, father, 3 sons, 4 daughters, and a mother went on an outdoor trip. When the time of Asr prayer comes, everyone lined up who will be standing in the first, second, and the third row. Answer: in the first row, the grandfather will be standing and he will be the imam. In the second row, the father and the 3 sons will stand. And the third row, the mothers and the girls will stand.